Start.
A very charming morning to all of you. I'm Lalita Ahuja on behalf of SN College of Nursing, the place to learn skills for the real world. Students, we are providing you online classes every day, right? So I think these are quite creative and very helpful for you. Yes, you can join us on YouTube channel SN College of Nursing. So please subscribe this channel. With the help of this channel, you can learn so many things. You can learn topics related to your study, as well as I will provide you some classes related to personality development, communication skill, body language, and how to be a confident and optimistic personality. So this time also I have a very dynamic topic for those aspirants who want to flourish in life, because goal setting plays a significant role in our life, right? So in today's lesson I want to share 5 essential tips that you can make your life much better than how you can achieve your goal faster. So are you ready, all of you? So let's get started. First one that I have for you, set a specific quality goal. Yes, it's important that if you want to achieve your goal faster, you need to be specific about it, that what you want to achieve. That it's very important, because I have seen many people, they don't know what they want to achieve in their life, and this is the main reason that many facilities are available here, but most of the people living an average life. Why? Because they don't know what they want to achieve in their life. For example, firstly I would like to explain what is the difference between goal and specific goal. Goal means that I want to earn a lot of money, right? I want to buy a new car, I want to run a marathon, I want to lose my weight, right? These are super common goals, and we all have these type of goal. All person want to earn lot of money, want to buy a new car, right? But these are super common goals, but we are not specific about it. Now specific goal is, suppose that I want to earn money. How much money? Within how much months? How many months I need? Suppose that I want to earn 1 lakh money, and within 3 or 4 months. Now this is specific goal. I want to lose my weight, 5 kg weight within 1 week. These are specific goals. When we set a specific goal, then definitely we will ask one question ourselves, that how I can achieve this goal. So guys, please set a specific goal. When you will decide a specific goal, then you can achieve your goal easily. Otherwise, you are just shooting a bullet in the air meaninglessly without any direction. Got it? So moving on, next point. My next point is set goal that motivate you constantly. Motivate means जो आपको उत्साहित करे, constantly तुरंत. So what does it mean? Students, when you set a specific goal yourself, it is also important they motivate you. What does it mean? It means making sure that your goal should be important for you, and you should have zeal to achieve your goal, right? And if you have little interest to achieve your goal, then the chances are very less to achieve them. Seriously. And for example, suppose that last year you got 60% marks, okay, but now you have a specific goal that you want to get 75 to 80% marks, because you have set your specific goal, and now you are going to start your efforts, because you have specific goal. And if you have little interest about your goal, then you can't reach them. Understand? So related to your study, suppose that I am giving you an example. You got 60% last year, and now you want to get 80%. So start your study, because in my previous lecture I also told that regularity. If you want to get success, then you should regular practice. then you can get success. Understand? So set a specific and realistic goals. Okay. So third one that I have for you, set a high priority goal. Now what does it mean? Set a high priority goal means now you have set your goal that are realistic and specific and with your limits. And you also need to keep in your mind that you set a goal that only one goal with higher priority. If you will set lots of goals, then it's very difficult to achieve them. If I set so many goals, I can achieve them? Never. So that's why set a one high priority goal, because achievements require dedication or efforts and commitment. And if you set one specific goal, then you can commitment with yourself, then how I can achieve them. Okay, so when you set a high priority goal, then your attitude should be positive, because our attitude is contribute to success. And one thing also, keep in your mind that I can do everything. And today when you wake up in the morning, one thing also you do yourself, you say yourself that today is my lucky day and I can do everything. With the help of these words, you can get more energy, more confident you will feel. So set one high priority goal, then you can achieve them easily. Got it? So next I have for you, define a timeline for your goals. Now it's time to take an action. When you set a realistic and specific goal, now it's time to take an action. You have to do efforts about your achievements. Without efforts, you can't get success. Got it? So timeline means you have to decide time. If you suppose that your exam coming, okay, when you make timetable regarding your subject, regarding your syllabus, then you can achieve, then you can get higher marks. Okay, so now understand how much time firstly you commitment to you, and you can each day how many times you want, 1 week, 1 day, 3 days. Then decide one timeline, then you can efforts easily. Got it? So last one that I have for you, visualize to have a first hand feeling of yourself. So visualizing means kalpana karna. Visualizing means kalpana karna, expect karna. And this is the most important step to reach your goal easily, because with the help of visualization is useful technique that help you to reach your goal easily. Okay, or it works getting your mind and body, and when you follow this technique, you will feel more energetic. It will provide you energy and you feel refresh your mind. So this technique is very useful for you, and visualization is a simple technique that you can use to create strong mental image in future. Got it? And the great thing about visualization is that you can use it so many areas in your life. So it is said that setting goals is the first step in turning invisible into visible. Got it? So I hope this lecture is very fruitful for you, and I would like to request you, please be with us, because we have lots of sessions for you, then you can make your life much better. Thank you. All the best.